Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of your device. The battery comes partially charged. When new, a fully discharged battery requires up to 50 minutes to charge to 50% and up to 160 minutes to charge to 100%. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. The device has a standby time of up to 16 days and a use talk time of up to 10 hours. Conserve battery life. To access more display options, from the home screen, press the Menu button to open the main menu. Navigate to and highlight the Settings and Tools app, then press the Select button. Press the Select button to select Settings. Press the Down button to highlight Display Settings. Then press the Select button. To reduce screen brightness, press the Select button with brightness level highlighted. Press the Down button to set the desired brightness level, then press the Select button. To set a shorter screen timeout, press the Down button to highlight Display Backlight, then press the Select button. Press the Up or Down buttons to highlight the desired screen timeout option, then press the Select button. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, press the right button to access quick settings. Navigate to and highlight Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, then press the Select button. If enabled, press the Select button. Press the Down button to highlight Off, then press the Select button. If you are traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. From Quick Settings, navigate to and highlight Airplane mode, then press the Select button. Press the Up button to highlight On, then press the Select button.